In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make this amazing competition-winning paper airplane that flies over 100 feet. Now, it is so easy to fold this plane that I'm going to teach you in 60 seconds or less. So be sure to grab your 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper, and we are beginning in 3, 2, 1, go. Fold the top edge to the bottom edge. Now rotate, fold this top edge to our right edge, but leave just a little gap. Like so. Flip it over and fold the other side to match. And now I'm folding this edge to the edge of my top layer, not to the folded edge, left edge of the plane, leaving a gap again. And now do the same thing on this side. Now fold this edge down to the edge of our top layer, again not all the way to that folded edge if you can avoid it. Flip it over, fold this side to match. And now I'm opening it up, closing it in this way, and folding my wings, like so. And fold my other side as well. And there you go. This is a finished paper airplane. Now, I would advise you to actually add just a little bit of tape. This can fly well on its own, but if you want to hit 100 feet, you're going to want to keep these layers closed. So let's see this thing in flight.